Okay, next beta, chemical properties of an acid. Yes, acid react with active metals. What do you understand by active metals? Yes, all metals that lies above hydrogen in reactivity series known as active metals, and all active metals release hydrogen gas from dilute acids. Yes, this hydrogen gas, when this gas is released in form of bubbles known as effervescence. Yes, how can we identify release gas is hydrogen? It extinguish with the popping sound. It burn with the pop sound. Or when we bring the burning splinter near the mouth of test tube, then it extinguish with popping sound. Okay, next, for example, any other metal, for example magnesium, react with dilute HCl to form magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. Here write down the balanced reaction, 2 chlorine and 2 hydrogen, 2 HCl. Okay, next, acid react with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate to give carbon dioxide. Is carbonate and bicarbonate made up of carbon dioxide? Hence, when react with dilute acid, it release carbon dioxide gas. Yes, again carbon dioxide gas release with bubbles known as effervescence. How can we identify carbon dioxide gas? It extinguish burning a splinter. When we bring burning a splinter at the mouth of test tube, it extinguish. Okay, indicate the presence of carbon dioxide. Yes, second confirmatory test is if this carbon dioxide pass through the lime water, then lime water turn milky. Yes. What is lime water? Calcium hydroxide solution known as lime water. It turned milky. Carbon dioxide form carbonate. Carbonate release carbon dioxide. So when it react with calcium hydroxide, it form calcium carbonate plus water. Due to formation of calcium carbonate, lime water turn milky. Yes, so two confirmatory tests of carbon dioxide, it extinguished burning splinter, and second turn lime water milky. And hydrogen, it burn with pop sound. Next, acid react with base to give salt and water, and this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Example, sodium hydroxide plus HCl produce sodium chloride plus water. Yes, reaction take place by evolution of heat or exothermic in nature. Sodium chloride is a salt or water soluble, hence it remain in form of ions, sodium and chloride ions. Yes. Next, acid react with metal oxide to give salt and water. Yes, metal oxides. Metal oxides are basic in nature, whereas non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Is the metal oxide, copper oxide. This is base. It react with acid, copper sulfate. It is salt and water. The reaction is neutralization reaction. So what is the nature of copper oxide? Basic in nature. Yes. Next, chemical properties of base. Yes. First, reaction with metals. Generally, metal do not react with base, but certain metals such as zinc, aluminium, tin, lead react with base to form salt and hydrogen gas. It releases hydrogen gas. So these metals release hydrogen gas from acid as well as base. Hence, these metals known as amphoteric metal. This is clear. What do you understand by amphoteric metals? Metals which release hydrogen gas from acid as well as base. या metal that react with acid as well as base known as amphoteric metals. Sodium hydroxide react with zinc to form sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Zinc react with HCl to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Hence, zinc can react with acid as well as base. Hence, it is known as amphoteric metal. Okay. Next, reaction with acid. Acid react with base to form salt and water. This reaction is neutralization reaction. Next, reaction with non-metallic oxide. Again, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Acid plus base to form salt and water. Okay, this is clear. Chemical properties of acid and chemical properties of base. Next आता है pH scale. Yes. What is pH scale or pH value? Yes, beta. pH, the constant pH value, pH not scale. This is simple pH. The concentration of hydrogen ion in hydrogen ion or hydronium ion in aqueous solution. Okay, expressed in term of pH. The pH of a solution defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration in mole per liter. Yes, pH is equal to minus log HI, and this minus indicate inversely proportional. pH inversely proportional to HI concentration. HI increases, pH decreases. HI increase, pH decrease, or HI decrease, pH increase. Yes, and pH scale, a scale having a pH value from 0 to 14. This is a pH scale, value from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is pH scale. pH 7 neutral, pH less than 7 acidic, pH greater than 7 basic. Basic, yes. And litmus universal indicator, yes. pH paper considered as universal indicator because it indicates the acidic as well as basic nature with representing the different color at different concentration of hydrogen ion concentration, so that with the help of pH paper we can identify the acidic nature, basic nature with HIN concentration. Yes, so neutral, it means neutral pH 7. pH 7 means neutral. Neutral solution having H and all solution. Yeah, this is very important. All solution contain HIN as well as OHIN. Yes, if the HIN concentration greater than OHIN concentration, solution is acidic in nature. If the OHIN concentration greater than HIN concentration, solution is basic in nature. If both are equal, HIN is equal to OHIN, it means solution neutral. Okay, so pH 7 neutral, HIN is equal to OHIN, acidic H plus ion greater than OHIN, basic OHIN greater than HIN. Yes, and pH paper, basic solution color towards dark blue, and acidic solution color towards red, dark red. Okay, yes, pH is clear. Good.